Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new Redmi Note 13. So let's unbox this. Here you will see the made in India branding over there. Mi Note 13 5G, 120Hz AMOLED ultra thin bezels, and over this you will see Redmi Note 13 5G and Redmi by Xiaomi. And here you will also get India's most loved smartphone brand, India's most trusted mobile phone brand. And at the back you will see some specification about it, like 120Hz AMOLED FHD plus display, H2H display, 1 billion plus colors, 108 megapixel AI triple camera, and 16 megapixel AI selfie camera, 33 volt of fast charging. So let's open the box and I will tell you later. So here it is, the box, and another box of Redmi. Then here it is, the handset. You will see mobile phone. Let's keep it aside and check what is in the box. And friends, here you will get a USB to Type C charging cable and a 33 volt of fast charging adapter you will also get in the box. And let's check in this box what is inside. uh, Here you will get a SIM tool and a quick start guide, you can read it, and a protective case. Let's check its quality. And here it is, the kit. It is quite normal cover, it is not so good, okay cover, average. Here you will get a Redmi branding over there, and at this side designed by Redmi, that is good, black in color. So let's pack this and open our smartphone. So friends, here we are. Let's open our smartphone, and here you can see the design is very good. At this you will see the white color, but it's not. You will see some texture over here that is very good in it. You can see it has four colors: white, purple, black, and another one. And so it's talking about its camera. It is 108 megapixel of triple camera. Let's first open it. And talking about its port, you will see a volume rocker button up and down. Here it is, power on and off. And at the bottom you will see microphone, USB Type C port, and speaker. And at this side you will see a SIM tool tray. Here it is, microphone and speaker, and here it is 3.5 of audio jack. So let's start. You can see the refresh rate, it is very smooth in display. You can play any game you want, it not gonna be lag or something. You can check in the settings also. Just open settings and type refresh rate here, and you can see the refresh rate 60 hertz and 120 hertz. So here it is. Let's check camera also. I have taken some picture, I will show you. Here it is, the front camera picture. You can see the contrast and the brightness is very good. You can see brightness is very good. And it is the back camera photo. When you just zoom it, it will be in full screen mode, and you can see the tiny bezels, that is very good. And when you just zoom it, it not gonna lag anymore. Let's check its camera resolution. So first you have to open videos. Here it is, the camera resolution, 720 at 30 fps and 1080 pixel at 30 fps. And let's check its mode also. It has pro mode, short video, panorama mode, slow motion, time lapse, AI watermark. So then we have to check its video quality. So first open YouTube, then here you have to click on video. Let's check its video quality. You can see friends, The video quality is very good. You can check in the settings also. Just click on settings. Here it is quality advanced, and you will see it has 1440 pixel at 60 fps. That is very good in this price range. Let's check its speaker quality also. So click on just music, and here you have to type any music. Friends, you can check the quality of the speaker. The bass is very good. It has a bottom speaker also, and upward here it is one speaker also. That is very good part of this smartphone. Let's check its other settings. So click on about phone. Here it is MIUI version of 14, Android version it's 13, and you can check more specs. And it has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of another space. You can see total storage, and 2 GB you can extend it. CPU is Dimensity 6080 octa-core max 2.40 GHz. That is very good, and it is very compatible and lightweight also. You can purchase from a given link in the description. If you like this unboxing video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.